So let's talk about how we can deal with a restart. This instance of OpenClaw is set up on a VPS at Hostinger. You can see here that we've got a message telling us that there's an update that's available. If I click on that button, nothing actually happens. So what do? Well, there's a simple option, and that is that you can literally just copy that message and tell OpenClaw, I see this message, paste it in, and then write something like, can you update it? And let's see if it's capable of updating it. And of course, the reason I'm creating this video is because I know that it is capable of updating it. So what will happen now is that this will take a little bit of time. The reason it's taking time is because instead of responding and saying, yes, I can update it, would you like me to update it? It's just going ahead and doing it. And in fact, the longer it takes, the more likely it is that that's what's happening. So don't get concerned if this looks like a regular UI chat interface where you're expecting a response to come back quickly. In this case, when I've said, can you update it, it's interpreted that as an instruction. So it's off and doing something, and that can always take time depending on what it's doing. So in this case, it has access to the terminal commands. It's running the commands to update. That in turn means that it also has to restart the server. So this can take a minute. So now I'll leave you and I'll come back as soon as this is done. So it looks like we have got some progress. So if you scroll through all of this, you'll basically see the process that it went through to reinstall. And you can see why it took so long. Looks like it made a couple of errors along the way, but it figured out how to fix it. So it's giving me a message at the end of all of that saying that it has in fact updated, but it's also saying something important, which is that the auto restart service did not work. So what we can do is we can go back to Docker and we can click these dots and we can just click restart. Now while we do that, by the way, you'll see that this health offline has showed up. This health indicator has gone from green to red. So you'll often see this. It's nothing to get concerned about. It just means that the server is restarting. Okay, so now after we've refreshed everything, we can see that the update message has gone and we're up to date. But you can see that we've also got a new message, and this is the result of the update. So what it's telling us now is that the UI requires device identity. So what this all effectively means is that the people that are working on OpenClaw have added some more security, and this device needs to be somehow listed as or approved as a trusted identity. So I'll get into that in a dedicated video.